All right, today was a good day today. We got a final inspection cleared. All right, and we have a couple of things that we need to do. So I'm gonna tell you all about that. So follow me. Tip of the day by Radford Homes. Before you close out, you have to have 2 trees in your yard. There's a 2-tree ordinance. My fencing company, they came out and they put their little placards up so you wouldn't see the post of the fence and then you couldn't see directly through the fence. They're gonna do what they call a blower door test. Combee Installation blow the insulation in the attic throughout the entire home. The home will be insulated, and that way you can cool it and you can heat it. Tip of the day, Radford Homes. Give us a call if you need us. You have to have your numbers on your mailbox and on your home for your final out inspection. Check it out.
Baby, come give me something on. Baby, come give me something.
All right, my fence guys, they came back so you wouldn't see this fence post right here facing from the road, and they put the nice fence post there. And if you look down here, every other one, they got a different little color here. That way you can't see through where the posts connect down there in the corner down there. All right, they also put one at the back so you can't see straight through the fence. Pretty nice. Before you get a final inspection, you have to have 2 trees in the lawn. Okay, they have what you call a 2-tree ordinance. So we're gonna put 1 tree right here where the permit box is located, and we're gonna put another tree in that corner right there. That's the second tree gonna go in the corner of that fence. Also, another tip of the day is blower door. Combee Installation had to come in and do what they call a blow door test. And of course, you already know we live in Florida, so it's hurricanes. So they're gonna test this door. You have to make sure you have all your jams, which are, your jams are in here in the whole 9 yards. And they're gonna test this, okay? From Radford Homes in this beautiful storage area. Here we go. Have your light switch right there. As you can see, you have tons of storage. I mean, storage everywhere. This is a bonus that we put up in here. Combee Installation is coming out to blow in all the insulation throughout the entire home. All right, what's up? How you doing? Come on, tell me what you about to do with this blow door test. I done saw you on YouTube doing somebody else's house. I couldn't wait to see you today. Yeah, I saw you doing a house. So tell them what you're doing.
Well, today what we'll be doing for you, we're going to do a whole envelope test. So basically what that does is just take for the overall leakage of the house, make sure it's sealed properly. That's pretty much it. And you see, I put this big old door in.
So tell me what that is. Tell them what we're live on Facebook right now. Tell them what we're doing.
Draw a negative pressure throughout the whole house. It's going to pull all the air outside. And right here is where I will use to calculate my air pressure. So what we measure is the air changes per hour. So it has to be like a certain number. So whatever your energy count is, that's the number that you have to get. Now, if it goes beyond your energy count number, then the house fails. There's obviously a leak somewhere. So we just have to find out where that is. So
no leak in here, baby. Yeah. All right. Same company, right? All right.
Underneath Combee Installation. Today I'm going to do for Radford Homes, we're going to do their blower door test, and that's just to test the overall leakage of the house. Follow me, we'll give you step by step. Setup doesn't take that long. All I do, I put this in the front door. The door is always adjustable. So whether I have a 8-foot door, a 10-foot door, I have these hinges, I can just raise them up to adjust.
Blower door test for the new build with Radford Homes LLC. Hi, I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes LLC. And my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina, well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. But today is all about airtight diagnostic Combee installation. All right, Shakira, you got us. Take it away.
All right. So first what I want to do, I have a reference hose here. This just tests the overall pressure on the outside so it doesn't interfere with my negative pressure. So what I do first here is I capture the baseline. It just tells me how the wind is going on the outside. Now what I'm going to do is set the pressure. So we always set it to 50 pascals. So that's how much air pressure is being pulled in the house to the outside. It's going to be a little loud, maybe not. Put it on and let it steam. Doesn't even take 5 minutes. So this is the number we're going to be watching right here. CFM. Now this number is going to determine how much leakage we have in the house. Now this number likes to fluctuate, especially if there's a missing light strip, might be a faulty window, or to say that the attic access cover is missing and you didn't know about it. This just helps us point out where the air leakage may be coming from. So right now, we're going to go ahead and stop it. Now that I've done that, I'm going to input it into my formula. All right, your energy calc said it had to be 6.0. Let's see if we get that pass, because this is a pass zone right here, right?
Test we just did.
Do I have good news for you?
All right, good news, y'all. Let's see what she say.
The final result is at 5.5. Your energy calc said it had to be a 6.0. So you came in 5 points less than what you were required. So that's really good.
Yes, that means we passed, right?
Yes, you did. We go check right there.
Yes, we found it out, baby. Salute all veterans. Luke 137, keep God first. Can't do it by myself, baby. Yeah! All right, today we're about to do mark test just for training purposes only. If we had a what? Go ahead, take it over.
All right, so if we had a leakage that we didn't know about, our fan would definitely tell us. So what I'm going to do is set a pressure here at 50 normal. You can listen how loud the fan gets too. And already you can see that the pressure is pretty high compared to what we got before, which was like a 13 something, 1362 was the pressure that we got. Now, we're wondering why this house isn't passing right now, so we're going to walk around and see what the problem is. So what I like to do, I'll walk and feel, see where air could be coming from. Could be coming from a window. Looks like, well, that's the air coming on. Okay. Always check to make sure the cracks of the windows there's an air coming through. Sometimes you can walk by doors and feel there's a air pressure falling through here. But as you can see, there's a window open. Now look what happens. So as of right now, we're getting about 1730 CFM. That's how much pressure is being pulled through the house. Now when I did my calculations earlier, it came in under that because everything was sealed properly. Now, as you can see, this window is open. I didn't know the window was open. If you place your hand here, you can feel just how much air is being pulled.
It is. mean, tremendous amount.
That's how much air is being pulled through that window just from my fan. So this shows you a negative pressure is being pulled. Now that I close that,
And the fan went down.
so that's the air going back to normal. It's depressurizing because the house is nice and sealed properly. Close that window that was open. Now, he opened that door, and that was all the air pressure coming in. Now that it's closed and sealed, you'll see it going down. To get the exact number, I take it off the app, and it tells me my exact number at 50 pressures. Now this number likes to fluctuate, but what we do is we try to get it as low as we can so that we can get you the best possible score.
All right.
But that's it. Yeah, once you run this thing, if it's going wild and berserk, you obviously have a leak somewhere. So you find us, you call us, we'll find out a leak for you, let you know if it's good or not.
And once again, what's your company name and your name?
My name is Shakira Wilson, and I work with Combee Installation, and our subcontractor is Airtight Diagnostics, where we run these blower door tests to check for leaks of your overall new buildings or standing buildings. But yeah, that's it.
Ain't
much to it. But it's good.
Thank you.